Good afternoon, students. How are you? Hope you all are good and fine and study well, right? I, Mrs. Usha Zadav, your accounts teacher, once again welcomes you all in the online lecture series. Student, after completing theory part of chapter number 3 is that admission of partner. Today we will take quick revision of calculation of ratio. So let us begin. Students, this is the steps of solution of problem of admission of partner. Let us read it. Step first and listen it. Step first, calculation of total profit is equal to profit minus loss. Getting? Total profit, see here, 80,000 plus 95,000 plus 1,10,000 plus 85,000 minus loss. Loss is a 40,000. So deducted it. Total profit is equal to 3,30,000. Second step, calculation of average profit. Tell me formula for average profit. Average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. 3 years, 4 years, 2 years, like that. Right? Total profit is 3,30,000 divided by 5 is equal to 66,000 is a average profit. Step third, calculation of normal profit is equal to normal profit is equal to capital employee into NRR, means NRR means normal rate of returns divided by 100, right? Is equal to 3,50,000. Capital employee is 3 lakh rupees, 3,50,000 into 12 means normal return of rate of returns is 12 divided by 100 is equal to 42,000. Normal profit is equal to 42,000. Then step fourth, calculation of a super profit. Tell me formula of a super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Correct? Yes. Average profit is equal to 66,000 minus 42. Normal profit is calculated here and average profit also calculated. Average profit amount is a 66,000 rupees minus normal profit 42,000. So super profit is here 24,000. Next step, calculation of goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchase is equal to 24,000 into 2. 48,000 rupees goodwill is calculate here. Next, revision of how to calculate new ratio. Example first, Ayush and Tanish share profits and losses in the ratio of 2:3. They admitted Sarvesh with the 1/4 share in future profit. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Ayush and Tanish is the old partner and new partner's name is Sarvesh. Ayush and Tanish ratio is here 2:3 and Sarvesh ratio is future ratio is here 1/4. Calculate here new profit sharing ratio. Solution. First formula for old ratio is equal to Ayush and Tanish old ratio is calculated here. 2 is Ayush share and Tanish share is a 3, means 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 divided 5 and 3 divided 5 is equal to 5 is a Ayush and Tanish old ratio is a 2 divided 5, 3 divided 5. Okay, then balance of 1 is equal to 1 minus share of new partner is equal to 1 minus 1/4. 1/4 is a new partner's share is equal to 3/4 is a balance of a 1 amount of a balance of a 1. Then formula for calculating new ratio. New ratio is equal to old ratio into balance of 1. Ayush new ratio is equal to 2/5. 2/5 is the Ayush old ratio and balance of 1 is a into 3/4 is equal to 3 to the 6 and 5 4 the 20, means 6 divided 20 is a Ayush new ratio. And Tanish new ratio is a 3/5 is a old ratio into 3/4 is a balance of 1 is equal to 920 is a Tanish new ratio. Sarvesh new ratio is equal to 1/4 is a old ratio future ratio of new partners into 5/5 is equal to 5 divided by 20. 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20 is a share of Sarvesh. New partner share is a 520. New ratio of Ayush, Tanishq and Sarvesh is 6:9:5. Understand, student? Next, calculation of sacrifice ratio. Example first, X and Y are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 6 by 6 raised to 4. Z is admitted. XYZ is a old partner and ratio is here given 6 raised to 4. Z is admitted as a partner. The new profit sharing ratio of X, Y and Z is 10, 6 raised to 4. Find out the sacrifice ratio. See here, sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. S sacrifice is equal to 6 divided 10 minus 10 divided 20 is equal to X share X sacrifice is here 4 divided 20 and Y sacrifice is equal to 4 divided 10 minus 6 divided 10 or 20 is equal to 2 divided is equal to 2 divided 20. Sacrifice ratio of X and Y is equal to 2 divided 20. 4 divided 20. See here, printing mistake. 4 divided 20 raised to 2 divided 20. Sacrifice ratio of x and y is equal to 4 divided 2, means make it is small, means 2 raised to 1. Profit sharing ratio. Adjustment of capitals. Total capital is equal to new partner's capital into reciprocal of his profit sharing ratio. Example, Z is admitted in the partnership firm. Partners capital firm. Reciprocal of his with 1/5 share of the profits of the firm. Z is a contributes. Z is a new partner. 50,000 is a Z's capital. As his capital X and Y, the partners other two were sharing profits in the ratio of 2:3. Then the required capital of X and Y should be calculated as follows. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Tell me formula of new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio formula. New ratio is equal to old ratio into balance of 1. Right. Let us calculate here new profit sharing ratio of X. X share of profits is the old ratio is here 2/5 into balance of 1 is a 1 minus 1/5 is equal to 2/5 into 4/5 is equal to 2 divided by 25, means 4 2s are 8 and 5 5s are 25 is a X share, and Y share of profits is equal to old ratio 3/5 into balance of 1 minus 1/5 means 3/5 into 4/5 is equal to 12 25, and Z share of profits is equal to 1/5 into 5 divided 25. Z capital share Z share is rupees 50,000. Total capital of the firm rupees 50,000 into future profit of a Z is a 5 1/5 is equal to 2 lakh 5 divided by 1 is equal to 2,50,000. Then X share should be sharing 2,50,000 into 825 is equal to 80,000. Y share should be sharing rupees 2,50,000 into 12 divided by 25 is equal to rupees 1,20,000. Let us this calculation as homework. So do this calculation, complete the table and calculate the following is a given homework. So student, you are write in your notebook your better understanding. Hope you understood all the problems, all the calculation and its formulae. For better understanding, watch all my video carefully. Thank you for watching my video.